Hello guys, welcome to this very special Easter edition DIY where I'll show you how to assemble this really cool slide stag with a cross inside desk ornament or also LED plug-in nightlight. I'm basically using this very cheapo Walmart plug-in. It's LED, so it's really safe to apply to this. It snaps right in place just like that. And in this guide, I'm going to show you how to assemble it and also some tips and tricks and also what not to do. Make sure you watch all the way till the end where I'll show you some examples of what it looks like in many different settings. So let's get started. With this design, I decided to start with the upper and lower base laying on its flat side. This allows you to keep better control of the remainder pieces until you have enough structure to stand it up. For this example, I use super glue for ease of making video, but I recommend you use craft glue. You can tack each piece in designated areas to hold decoration steady, and wait until all pieces are correct before permanently attaching. For the last two outside egg pieces, you will see that I added score guidelines to help you keep smaller pieces centered. All you have to do is make sure that these pieces will fit right inside those guidelines, and it should be perfect. As you can see, I worked my way out towards the outside until one side is completely finished. Once you have completed one of the sides, the rest of the pieces will go on a lot easier and should be the same process. The cross piece will be the last component to assemble. You will mount this in the center slot of the bottom base. If you want to use this as a desk decoration, you're good to go. If you want to use this as a nightlight, as I mentioned earlier, this very inexpensive plug-in LED from Walmart should snap right in without adhesives. I hope you enjoy making this as much as I enjoy designing it. I'll see you on my next build. Thanks for watching.